Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember that we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. We are cooking spinach and I hope you enjoy this voiceless video. Bye. Yes, I hope you were enjoying the video. We're just cooking spinach. We had milk, we had mushroom and aromat, and what else? Cream, full cream, and then you're gonna mix everything together. Oh, and a little bit of cheese to give it the taste, and also one chicken cube. So this is how it looked, and I hope you enjoyed the video.